The Furrion Arctic 12-volt refrigerator is equipped with multiple built-in temperature sensors that regulate the internal temperature and protect the unit from potential damage. However, sometimes these sensors encounter issues, like when an E6 error code appears. An E6 error code means the powerboard has detected an ambient temperature sensor failure. When this happens, the digital display will read E6, and you may notice both compartments are cooling irregularly or not at all. So, what causes this error and where should you start troubleshooting? The ambient temperature sensor is a thermistor in the exterior body of the refrigerator that monitors surrounding external temperatures to ensure the compressor doesn't operate in extreme climates that could damage the cooling system. The issue behind this error could be caused by one of three things. The sensor is damaged, the wiring between the sensor and the power board is damaged, or the power board is faulty and showing a false error code. To narrow it down, test the ambient temperature sensor. Locate the temperature sensor wire harness at the power board and disconnect it. Use a multimeter to check pins 1 and 2 of the harness for resistance. The resistance will vary depending on the surrounding temperature. However, the ambient temperature sensor should show a lower resistance value when compared to the other sensors if the interior compartments are cooled. It should also have a similar resistance value to the other sensors if the compartment temperature matches the ambient temperature. If the multimeter shows zero resistance or an open circuit, the thermistor or internal wiring is compromised. If the reading is approximately 2.5 kiloohms, the sensor is functioning correctly, which means the power board is at fault and needs to be replaced. By following these steps, you'll be able to pinpoint the cause of the E6 error code and determine the appropriate fix.